Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you information and fact about the state Manipur. Manipur, a gem of place in India. Manipur literally means the land of gems, and it is really so given the interesting history, uniqueness and culture it has. Now let's see some of the fact about this northeast Indian state. Manipur is often referred to as Kangleapak and Miteliapak by the local people living in Manipur. Manipur merged with the Union of India in 1949 and was declared as a state in 1972. Pakhamba was the first ruler of Manipur. He created the Kingdom of Manipur around 33 AD. The primary ethnic group of Manipur is Meitei. It constitutes almost 50% of the population. According to archaeological evidence, Manipur has been inhabited since 30,000 BC. The four Khanghui caves were inhabited since the Stone Age. Legends say that the inhabitants of Manipur are originally Gandharvas, the celestial singers and dancers. Just like Kashmir, Manipur also has a reputation of being Gandharva Desha. Manipur earned fame in the ancient text of Mahabharata as the princess of this kingdom. Chitrangada was one of the wife of Pandava warrior Prince Arjun. Literacy rate of Manipur is around 80%, which exceeds the national average literacy rate, which stands at 74%. Manipur has the oldest polo ground in the world at Imphaal's Mapal Kangjebang. It is said that Manipur's deity King Kangba invented the game in the 14th century BC, and in 33 AD, King Pakhbanga hosted the first polo match. It hosts the Manipur International Polo Festival every year, which is attended by a lot of polo fans. The Britishers took polo to the west during their colonial rule in India. Red Hill, Lokpa Ching. It was here that Japanese and the Britishers fought a war during World War II and has a war memorial. Kaibul Lamjao National Park. Surrounded by the Loktak Lake in the Kaibul National Park that shares its boundaries with the lake. Spread across 40 square kilometers, it is the most beautiful spot you can find in Manipur. It is home to the one and only floating sanctuary and is also home to some of the endangered animals like sambar, hog deer, East Himalayan pied kingfisher, ruddy shell duck and many more. And visit this national park and get mesmerized in the beautiful views of the lake and the national park. Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is located in the capital city of Manipur, Imphal. Located 53 kilometers away from the city, it is the only floating lake in the world that is also a national park. The state takes pride in having one kind of lake which contains mass floating swamps and migratory birds. The lake is spread across 300 square kilometers, making the view very scenic and perfect to click the pictures. Manipur accounts for 53 of 126 species of bamboo in India and produces around 10 lakh tons of bamboo per year. Additionally, bamboo is also used in Manipuri cuisines. INA Museum. The museum is located in Moirang, where the flag of Azad Hind Fauj was first unfurled at. When the INA was advancing with the Japanese forces against the British forces, Ras Leela, the classical dance of Manipur, was created by Rajashri Bhagyachandra out of his enchanting dream by Lord Krishna. Andhra Village. The artisans' village in Andhra has a museum where you can get a glimpse of day-to-day life of 29 tribes of Manipur. Tharon Cave, located near Tamelong, Manipur. The cave is approximately 650 to 700 meters long and is considered to be one of the fascinating attractions in all of Manipur. The cave contains paintings, carvings, and excavations of the Hovnanian culture. The cave has got 5 entry and exit points overall, with multiple joints making it a perfect spot. Kangla Fort. The palace of Kangla is fondly called as the Kangla Fort by the locals of the state. Located near the Imphal River, the fort was home to Meitei rulers. The fort was used by the royals to administer the various activities done by the kings of Manipur. Till date, the fort is still standing and is open to the public all on during the week except Wednesdays, providing an opportunity to learn about the rich cultural heritage and history of the Meitei rulers. Take a look at the coronation halls, citadel, and other temples near the fort that are still standing and prepared to be in awe of shock. Singda Dam. It is 920 meters above the sea level. It is the famous Singda Dam of Manipur. It is the highest mud dam ever to be constructed in the world. The dam overlooks the mighty ranges of the state and is surrounded by green paddy fields. Singda Dam is considered to be one of the ideal spots for day trips, picnics. The dam is open for all to enjoy the views. Manipur State Museum is operated entirely by the state government of Manipur. It is the Manipur State Museum located in the capital city Imphal. The museum exhibits various artifacts of the tribes of Manipur and other residents who have inhabited the state. It is the best place to learn about the history of Manipur and the state's heritage. The museum has several ornaments, textile, sculptures, and pictures that speak of the state's history. One of the main attractions in the museum is the 54 feet long boat known as the Hiyak Hiran, considered to be a royal boat. It is entirely gold plated and masked with a skull. Jore Bangla Temple. It is located in Bishnupur and is an ancient temple. The temple was built by Raghunath Singh Dev, a Malla king during the year 1665. The temple takes pride in its stunning architectural design that depict the huts built in the region. The walls and roofs of the temple represent the Chala style, while the carved designs on the wall depict the battles that have taken place in the land of Manipur and the royal lifestyles of the rulers. A popular folk form of wrestling practiced in Manipur is Mukna. Hindi films are not released or screened in the state after the rebel groups banned the use of Hindi language television shows and films in the year 2000. Manipur is a dry state. However, people relish the country liquor made from Manipuri rice. Iron Lady of Manipur. Irom Sharmila, the civil activist, started her hunger strike in 2000 against AFSPA. The strike lasted until 2016. Ima Kaithel, Asia's biggest all-women run market, Ima Kaithel is almost 500 years old. It has approximately 4,000 women traders who sell a wide range of wares. Foreign as well as domestic tourists need special permission to go to Manipur. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.